Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. Let's talk about the face detection settings on the specific video. Come up to the side menu and under the job side, select face detection. Now this is adding a security to your attendance tracking by ensuring the reliable identity, verification and streamline access control to know capture the time from your specific mobile application. This facility is available in the web and the mobile both. You get to start a timer by identifying the face detection and then the timer gets started. For example, this is the user which has been enabled with the mobile and the web tracker. Now this user will start the timer and it will match the selfie with the profile picture which is being placed here. If the percentage is matched and the detection is matched, then the user timer gets started. Similar is the case in the mobile and similar is in the web tracker. You can change the percentage of the identification of matching from here, and then you can even deselect whichever tracking mode that you want to have it enabled. You can mention it globally from here, and individual setting against each member can be done from here. So this was all about the face detection part. Thank you.